Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up Hostinger for WordPress. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. And if you use my affiliate link to get your Hostinger account, I can help you with Hostinger, WordPress, and affiliate marketing. Just contact me at ben@bensexperience.com. After visiting Hostinger website, click on hosting from the top, then go to web hosting. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see, they offer three web hosting plans. For beginners, I recommend them to go with the premium because it offers more than enough resources. You can create up to 100 websites. You get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, which is faster than the SSD storage. You also get a limited SSL certificate to use in order to get the HTTPS, which makes your website trustworthy by your visitors and also search engines. You also get the ability to create multiple free email accounts for a professional looking email account like ben@bensexperience.com. It is hosted on Hostinger. You also get automatic weekly backups and of course a free domain name. If you want a little bit of speed and better uptime, you can go with the business plan. You get more storage space, everything in the premium plan, plus daily backups instead of weekly backups in order to not lose your work. You also get a free domain name and a free CDN. CDN is what makes this hosting plan a little bit faster because CDN is a technology that makes multiple copies of your website and hosts them on different data centers around the world. This way, if you have a visitor from Europe, it will be connected to the data center within Europe. This way, your website becomes faster to load. If you have a website that is already established with large traffic, you can go with the cloud startup. On top of the upgraded monthly visits, you also get a dedicated IP address and priority with the customer support. If you are a beginner, you can go with the premium plan. Click on choose plan. Now select the subscription duration you want to go with, 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free. And also the renewal price per month is a little bit cheaper than if you want with the 2 years or just 1 year. After that, you can fill in your personal information, but since they are optional, you can skip this step. Verify that the total you will pay now it is correct and fill in your credit card information. After that, click on Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay using PayPal, select it like that and click on Submit Secure Payment. After that, click on this PayPal checkout button. After you log in to your PayPal account, select the credit card you want to pay with, click on Agree and Pay. You will be redirected to Hostinger website. For this question, you can skip it like that. Now click on Create a new website, or you can skip it if you want. Now claim your free domain. Fill in your domain name idea. In my case, I went with benstestinghosting.com. Click on search. As you can see, my domain idea is available. So click on continue. Now fill in your domain name details like your first name, phone number, email address, and your address, and also country. Now select your server location. It is better to select a location that is near the majority of your website traffic in order to get faster loading speeds. Click on Finish Setup and wait a moment. You are now ready. You can go to your control panel. And this is how to buy a hosting from Hostinger. One last important step in order to not lose your new domain name is to confirm your email address. Just go to your email inbox, open the email from Hostinger, and click on the verification link. Now click on the green button, and this is how to verify your email address to not lose your domain name. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Websites from the top. Then click on Dashboard next to your website. To install WordPress, just head down to Website and click Auto Installer or WordPress. Click on Install next to Install WordPress. Now you need to fill in your website credentials like the website title, then your administrator email, username and password. Click on Next. For the application version, I always recommend to use the latest WordPress version for better security. And for your site language, you can select it from this drop-down menu. After that, click on Install. Now your WordPress is created successfully. Let's check it. All we need to do is to install a new WordPress theme. To do that, we need to log in to our WordPress dashboard. You can do it from this admin panel button. It's easier. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Click on this Add New Theme button. Personally, I prefer the Astra themes. Activate this Astra theme and click on Let's get started with starter templates. You can go with an AI website builder or classic starter templates. I prefer to go with the classic starter templates. After clicking on your preferred template, click on Continue. Skip this step and submit and build my website. Our new website is ready. Let's refresh this page. And this is how to host a WordPress website on Hostinger. I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. To do different things with your WordPress website, just go to your dashboard. You can add a new post. You can create categories for your posts. You can add media like a photo or a video. You can create a new page. You can manage your comments from here. You can add another theme from this page. In order to make your WordPress site faster, we need to delete some useless plugins. For example, this Hostinger Easy Boarding and Hostinger Tools and Starter templates, we don't need them, so we can deactivate them first in order to delete them. After they are disabled, we can delete them. They are now deleting. From your WordPress dashboard, you can also add another user to publish articles under his name. And under settings, you can change your site title, your site icon, and your email address, and many things. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe.